Hey, buddy, this is Spencer with Diesel Care and Performance. Are you doing okay this morning?
Diesel Care, this is Zach. How can I help you?
Hey, this is Kenny with Diesel Care Performance Association. Okay today?
Hey,
What we're
Mr.
gonna do is
Nichols, my
just
name's
prove
Billy
you
Williams. I
some
work in the
notes.
tech department of Diesel Care and Performance.
Diesel Care, how may I help you? You need a tracking number? Okay, what was the last name on the order? Williams. Okay. Yes, sir. It looks like it is already shipped. Yes, sir. It has already shipped. You should expect it on Tuesday. Yes, sir. Can I put you on a brief hold? Is that okay? Hey, Spencer. Yeah, we've got another one. Oh, can you get in here?
Sure thing. Where is he?
Well, he's somewhere in my office.
Is he that bad?
You're gonna need backup.